My name is Honorable Sasha Wamai, a member of County Assembly from Nyandarua County, the Deputy Minority Leader from the Jubilee Party in the county, and I'm also the National Treasurer for Kenya Young Members of County Assemblies. And I just want to maybe comment on the issue of women representation in our country, now that we are approaching the International Women's Day, a day that we really regard and appreciate and would want to really celebrate as women. So far since the devolution, or rather I would say since the inception of the 2010 Constitution, which has really put us on the map, I can say we have really come, a long way in terms of leadership, and I'll specifically talk about politics. Politics because we live in a patriarchal society, and politics has been seen for the most time as a men affair. But I would say this, and it's a topic close to my heart because I vied for the woman representative position in 2022, and I can tell you, in as much as it's a women position, I would, there are so many challenges that we face as women. But I can also tell you so much has changed, that the electorates are really, they have faith in women leadership. And from what we've seen in terms of, the elected members, we have seen even governors. From 2017, we had 3 governors. This time we have 7 governors. And we have quite a number of MPs, around 27, I think, or 24. So this one shows you that in this patriarchal society, we are slowly conditioning ourselves to appreciate women leadership. And so I really want to encourage every woman out there that whatever calling they have, whatever vision, whatever desire they have in terms of leadership, in terms of joining politics, they should not be afraid. At least we have something to celebrate. We're moving in baby steps, but I can tell you we are going somewhere. So as we celebrate the International Women's Day, I want to celebrate every woman who has been brave enough to put their best foot forward, who have gone against cultural and social beliefs, who has gone through, who has gone against financial barriers, cultural barriers, political barriers, because we also know that our political institutions also have in many ways curtailed women, progress. But for the first time in 2022, we saw a bit of women involved in very senior positions, in party decisions, and mostly at the forefront in terms of, pushing forward democracy and, getting the parties to have a say and to have a voice with the people. So I just want to wish all the women, young, elderly, those who have been before us, phenomenal women out there, we appreciate all of us. We know that what we are made of, we are powerful, we can do it, and we are taking the world by its horns. And nothing will stop us from achieving an empowered woman. We are empowered women generation.